Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Android's picture-in-picture mode. To enable YouTube picture-in-picture mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then your phone must run on Android 8.0 Oreo or later. In two places, YouTube picture-in-picture settings can be enabled. Settings and YouTube apps. The picture-in-picture mode can be disabled unintentionally, although it is enabled by default. You must verify that it's working. To do so, you may follow this video. Step 1. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then tap the three dots at the top right-hand corner and select Special Access. Then tap Picture-in-Picture. From the list, tap YouTube, then toggle Allow Permission on next to it. To enable YouTube picture-in-picture mode, open the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon on the top right-hand corner, then tap Settings. Now, tap General, and turn the picture-in-picture on. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys on the other video.